Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Trends again, where innovation meets practicality. Today we are delving into a cutting-edge subject, how to integrate custom AI models in Power Automate using AI Builder. Whether you are a business professional looking to automate tasks or a developer aiming to enhance workflows with AI, this video is for you. In this session, we will explore the transformative power of AI Builder and demonstrate how you can develop and integrate custom AI models within Power Automate to streamline your workflows, enhance decision making, and drive efficiency in your operations. Then, what is AI Builder? So, AI Builder is a powerful feature within Microsoft Power Platform which allows you to add AI capabilities to your apps and workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. So, it provides a user friendly point and click experience to build and train AI models directly within Power Automate. So, why we use AI Builder? Effortless automation. So that means automate repetitive tasks like data entry and form processing, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Then data driven decisions. So means uncover hidden patterns and trends in your data to make informed decisions. Next, no coding required. With its intuitive interface, AI Builder empowers users of all technical levels to create and deploy AI models. So, in this video, I will walk you through a step by step guide to integrating custom AI models in Power Automate. So, firstly, I'm going to create a custom AI model in AI Builder of Power Automate or Power Apps, and then I will train that model and publish it. And after publishing it, I'll create a Power Automate flow, and there I will add that custom model which I have built previously and configuring the model. So benefits of this custom AI models, tailored solutions. So address unique business challenges by training models specific to your needs. So seamless integration, easily integrate your custom AI models into existing workflows for a streamlined automation experience. So here I am concluding this. Integrating custom AI models in Power Automate with AI Builder is a game changer for businesses looking to leverage AI without the complexity. So start building smarter workflows today and unlock the full potential of your data. So let's dive into our practical session. Okay, let's start with our practical session. So here I have logged into my Power Automate and selected the dev environment. And you can select AI Hub over here. If you didn't see AI Hub, just click on that more, and here you can see the available options. Okay, so now I have already selected AI Hub, and from here I'm going to select AI models. So in this AI model section, you can see there are some custom models and pre-built model already available. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an invoice model. So for that, I need a pre-built model, extract information from invoices. So I'm selecting this, and here you can see there are some invoices added, and here okay, so multiple invoices added. So we are going to create a custom model. We are not going to use this. So here, create custom model. So here we are going to add custom model. Yeah, yes. So now it is the choose document type is invoices, and here choose information to extract 29 fields and one table you can see. Okay, then we are not going to do anything over here. Just click on next. Now we are going to create collections. Okay, so for creating collections, we if we are having some samples of documents, we can upload that. Okay, so minimum 5 samples of documents it will allow. So here, first samples of document I'm going to upload is by clicking on this collection, add documents and selecting my device, and from here selecting documents. Okay, so 5 documents I'm uploading, and then here done. Okay, and adding a new name for this collection is this is for ABC organization, so ABC org. And now I'm going to add one more collection here by clicking on add documents, my device, and from here selecting 5 documents for another collection as well. So minimum 5 documents we need, okay? And here upload 5 documents. So once it get uploaded, we can, yeah, and provide another name for this collection. Sorry, org. Yeah. Now I have 2 collections here. Now click on next. This is for tagging the documents. Okay. Now for tagging the documents, that means we are teaching AI model to extract the predefined fields and the tables. So we begin by tagging or checking the sample documents which we have uploaded. As we tag all of the expected fields in each document, you can see as a check appear over that document, and the red dot at the corner will disappear. So here you can see there is a red dot on the corner. So firstly I'm taking ABC org, and here for each document you can see on the top there is a red dot, and the first one it is tagged. Okay, so just click on another, so it will, while it's loading, it will automatically remove that red dot. Click on another one, click on another one. Okay, the last. So I have tagged all the 5 documents of this ABC org, and now I'm going to add another. So here if you want to add more apart from this whole, so for example like a customer name. Okay, so here contest so limited, so this, okay, apart from this you want to add more. Okay, so for example shipping charge you want to add, you just, okay, just do in this way and continue tagging. Okay, now go back to another collection. So I'm not going to add any other fields. Okay, so only the fields which is available there you can add. Or just if you want to add, you can just drag that, okay, rectangle shape there, and you can add there. Okay, so here I'm adding this, and here also you can see all these are added. Okay, now this is also adding, and this is, so all the 5 documents are tagged now. Okay, now here next is model summary. Yeah. Okay, so these are the available information going to extract. Now I'm just providing the name of this model, invoice model. Okay, name, and then train this model. Okay, click on train. You can, if you doesn't want to train now, you can just save and close, and later also you can train this model. So now I'm just doing it for this session purpose. Now go to models, and here it is training now. Till the status is training. If the status changed, we can go for publishing it. So after publishing it only, we can use it on our Power Automate or Power Apps. Okay, now our model is trained. Click on that model, and here click on publish to publish it. So after publishing it only, we can use it in our Power Automate or Power Apps. So your model is published. Just click on use model, and here you can see three different options. So in this demonstration, I'm selecting this build intelligent apps. Okay, it will redirect to opening the Power Apps studio portal, where we can build a Power App. Please wait for some time to get it loaded. Yeah, skip. Okay, so here by default a form processor added, and here you can see this is connected with the model invoice model, and one more model is there, so I'm not going to select this. So this is the model disconnecting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a text label, and here, okay, I have placed below the form processor, which is having. So here, this is adjusting the size of the form processor. Okay, there is the text label, and this text label I'm just using it for adding the invoice ID into the text label. Okay, so for that, so form processor dot fields dot, and the text, adding this. Okay, this called form processor dot fields dot invoice ID. So what I'm going to do is, so after running this application, when we are uploading an invoice, so the invoice ID will shoot over here, and I'm adding a vertical gallery, and that vertical gallery also will show accordingly what kind of data it has to be shown. Okay, so here just adjusting this also with according to the screen. And here my invoice ID label is there, so I'm just adding one more label, which is showing. Okay, invoice ID. Okay, now my app is ready. Now I'm just running this app. Okay, here I'm just uploading a document. It is loading. After after loaded, you can see the invoice ID is here and here are the details of it. Okay, now the details of this application is not showing in the vertical gallery. So here for that what we have to do is in this vertical gallery we should have to pass a code. So in the items property of the vertical gallery, what it has to process, it has to show the form processor tables items. Okay, now we can see this ID is invoice is already there and invoice ID showing, and here it is the form processor table items showing. Okay, so I hope this session you enjoyed this session. And now the session is over. So in this session we have covered how to create a document processing custom model by using AI builder in Power Automate, and how we can use it in Power Apps. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you have any doubts or if you need further requirement, further clarifications or further sessions needed for the same topic, so please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.